Meaning of Dublin.
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 Dublin. Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland, located on the east coast of the country. The name Dublin comes from the Irish Gaelic word Dublin, meaning black pool, referring to a dark tidal pool where the river Liffey met the sea. Dublin has a rich history, having been founded by Vikings in the 9th century and later serving as an important center of literature, culture, and politics. Today, it is a bustling city known for its music, food, and friendly people, attracting millions of visitors each year.